Prepare a hive or nucleus box with only 2 frames. One food frame containing honey and one empty drawn comb frame. Important: there should be no open brood in this setup. It is best to take these frames from a different colony. A different hive scent helps improve queen acceptance. Next, shake bees from 4 to 5 frames containing open brood into the prepared box. Before shaking the bees, make absolutely sure that the old queen is not among them. Leave the entrance open and wait for about 24 hours. During this time, the forager bees will fly back to their original colonies, leaving mostly young nurse bees in the box. These young bees will feel the absence of a queen, become restless, and produce the characteristic queenless buzzing. At this stage, they are much more likely to accept a new queen. After 24 hours, preferably in the evening, introduce the new queen using your preferred method. In most cases, queen acceptance will be very successful. Once the queen begins laying eggs, you can start strengthening the nucleus colony after about 1 week. Add 1 frame of emerging capped brood at a time. Shake all adult bees off the brood frame before placing it into the nucleus, so that no foreign bees are introduced. This simple method allows you to create a small nucleus colony with a very high probability of successful queen acceptance.